3, 2, 1.
As part of the renovations, this building now includes retail space, apartment amenities, on-site supportive services for its tenants. This is a big deal. And of course, the new rooftop terrace that will be used for program space and local social service organizations. But for the next 50 years, this building will preserve over 400 units of affordable housing for Chicago residents. We're talking about a generation of investment here. For the next 50 years plus, families will find security here in Lawson House.
And I didn't know what to expect, but once I got here and saw what we had, I mean, there's no way to put it other than fantastic.